TT Esports Ventus X RGB, a versatile gaming mouse. Title: TT Esports Ventus X RGB, a versatile gaming mouse. Introduction. In the world of gaming, a reliable and versatile mouse can be the difference between a crushing victory or a demoralizing defeat. Enter the TT Esports Ventus X RGB, a gaming mouse designed to meet demands of professional gamers and casual enthusiasts alike. With its sleek design, customizable RGB lighting, and impressive performance, the Ventus X RGB aims to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Design and ergonomics. The Ventus X RGB boasts a sleek and ergonomic design that prioritizes comfort during long gaming sessions. The ambidextrous shape ensures that both left-handed and right-handed gamers can enjoy the superior comfort and grip provided by the matte finish and textured side panels. The mouse is also designed to fit a wide range of hand sizes, making it an ideal fit for gamers with varying preference. Customizable RGB lighting. One of the standout features of the Ventus X RGB is its customizable RGB lighting system. With 16.8 million color options, users can personalize the mouse to match their gaming setup or create a unique UE aesthetic. The RGB lighting is not only visually appealing but also functional, as it can be utilized to indicate specific profiles, P levels, or macros during gameplay. Impressive performance. Performance is the cornerstone of any gaming mouse, and the Ventus X RGB does not disappoint. Equipped with a high-precision PixArt PMW 3360 optical sensor, it offers precise tracking and accurate cursor control, allowing gamers to tune their aim and movement to perfection. With a customizable B range of up to 12,000, users can find their preferred sensitivity level to suit their gaming style. In addition, the Ventus X RGB features a polling rate of up to 1000 Hz, ensuring a lag-free and ultra-responsive gaming experience. The mouse also offers an adjustable weight system, allowing users to fine-tune the weight distribution to their preference for enhanced control and comfort. Intuitive software. To fully unlock the potential of the Ventus X RGB, TT Esports provides a user-friendly software suite. The software allows gamers to customize various aspects of the mouse, including button mapping, P settings, RGB lighting effects, and macros. The interface is intuitive and straightforward, making it easy for both novice and experienced gamers to tweak their preferences without hassle. Additionally, the Ventus X RGB offers onboard memory, which allows users to store personalized settings directly on the mouse. This feature ensures that users can seamlessly transfer their customized settings across different devices without the need for reconfiguration, making it incredibly convenient for gamers on the go. Durable build quality. Durability is a crucial factor when considering a gaming mouse, and the Ventus X RGB excels in this area. Built with high-quality materials, this mouse is designed to withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. Moreover, the enhanced durability is complemented by high-quality switches, offering a satisfying and responsive click with an extended lifespan. The Ventus X RGB's sleek and ergonomic design prioritizes comfort, with its ambidextrous shape and matte finish providing a superior grip. The mouse is also adjustable to fit different hand sizes and preferences, ensuring a comfortable gaming experience for all players. One of the standout features of the Ventus X RGB is its customizable RGB lighting system, which offers a staggering 16.8 million color options. Gamers can personalize the mouse to match their gaming setup or create a unique aesthetic. The RGB lighting is not just visually appealing but also functional, as it can be used to indicate specific profiles, P levels, or macros during gameplay. In terms of performance, the Ventus X RGB is exceptional. It is equipped with a high-precision PixArt PMW3360 optical sensor, which allows for precise tracking and accurate cursor control. This a knob. Let gamers to fine-tune their aim and movement with ease. The customizable B range of up to 12,000 ensures that users can find their preferred sensitivity level to suit their gaming style. The Ventus X RGB also boasts a polling rate of up to 1000 Hz, ensuring a lag-free and ultra-responsive gaming experience. Additionally, the adjustable weight system allows users to customize the weight distribution of the mouse, enhancing control and comfort. To fully unlock the potential of the Ventus X RGB, TT Esports provides user-friendly software. Gamers can easily customize button mapping, B settings, RGB lighting effects, and macros to their leaky aim. The software interface is intuitive and straightforward, catering to both novice and experienced gamers. Furthermore, the Ventus X RGB offers onboard memory, allowing users to store personalized settings directly on the mouse. This feature eliminates the need for reconfiguration when switching between devices, making it incredibly convenient for gamers who are always on the go. Durability is a crucial factor when it comes to gaming mice, and the Ventus X RGB shines in this aspect. Built with high-quality materials, this mouse is designed to withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. The high-quality switches offer a satisfying click and have an extended lifespan. The TT Esports Ventus X RGB is truly a game-changer in the world of gaming mice. With its ambidextrous shape and matte finish, the Ventus X RGB prioritizes comfort during long gaming sessions. The textured side panels offer a superior grip, ensuring that the mouse stays firmly in your hand no matter how intense the gameplay gets. The adjustable design also allows it to fit a wide range of hand sizes and preferences, making it a comfortable and reliable choice for all gamers. The customizable RGB lighting is a standout feature of the Ventus X RGB. With a whopping 16.8 million color options, you can personalize the mouse to perfectly match your gaming setup or create a unique aesthetic. Not only is the RGB lighting visually appealing, but it can also serve functional purposes during gameplay. You can assign different colors to specific profiles, speed levels, or macros, making it easier to keep track of your settings and react quickly in the heat of the moment. When it comes to performance, the Ventus X RGB truly shines. Equipped with a high-precision PixArt PMW3360 optical sensor, it offers precise tracking and accurate cursor control. This means that you can fine-tune your aim and movement to perfection, giving you an edge over your opponents. In addition to its impressive sensor, the Ventus X RGB boasts a polling rate of up to 1000 Hz. This means that the mouse communicates with your computer at a blistering speed, ensuring a lag-free and ultra-responsive gaming experience. You won't have to worry about any input delay or missed clicks with this mouse. Furthermore, the Ventus X RGB offers an adjustable weight system,